Let the soap sit in the clogged toilet for about 20 minutes to soften and lubricate the obstruction before attempting further action. When you pour a generous squirt of liquid dish soap into the bowl, use a cup of hot but not boiling water after letting the soap disperse for a minute, because the heat helps break down grease and adds weight to move the clog. Agitate gently with a long-handled toilet brush if you can, without splashing to help the soap penetrate and to avoid creating a seal that traps air. For most household clogs caused by paper, grease, or small solid matter, let the mixture rest for about 20 minutes. Lighter obstructions may respond in 10 minutes, and tougher ones can take up to 30 minutes before you try plunging. If you plan to repeat the process, wait a few minutes between attempts so the bowl level returns to normal and you can see if the water drains. Always avoid adding chemical drain cleaners into a toilet bowl that already contains soap and hot water, because reactive heat and chemicals can create hazardous fumes or damage porcelain and seals. If the bowl overflows, stop and bail out excess water with a container before proceeding to prevent spillage and make plunging more effective. Common mistakes include leaving the soap for only a minute or two and then plunging, which often fails because the soap has not had time to lubricate the clog, so wait the full recommended period before trying mechanical methods. Another issue is using boiling water, which can crack the porcelain or damage the wax seal, so always use hot tap water that feels very warm but not boiling. People sometimes rely only on soap when the clog is mechanical or too severe for lubrication alone. If after 2 careful soap and hot water cycles, the toilet still does not drain, move to a plunger or a hand auger, and if you are unsure, call a plumber. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find projects that match their skills and availability. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical advice, timing tips, and step-by-step solutions for common repairs like unclogging toilets.